Serving looks and desserts. Pistachio tiramisu.
Bam!
Damn!
Pistachio cream, lady fingers, pistachios.
Hallelujah, hallelujah. Ooh!
Ah!
We had the same thought!
So gross.
Mascarpone, mascarpone, pistachio, and powdered sugar.
Okay. It just.
Remember
Pistachio tiramisu.
I have.
Dude, you are pistachio tiramisu at this point.
Oh,
Yeah, perfect.
That was so satisfying. Fuck, fuck, fuck. They get soggy so quick. ASMR, 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 what? Yum.
Yum yumsicle.
Yeah.
Luba, you would love that so much. Yeah, but you can.
She was a mess.
Cecilia is being Cecilia.
Yeah, pretty much. I'm obsessed with this. Oi.
It's a pistachio rain.
You just got pistachio down my.
Ta-da! And now we refrigerated for how long? Mm-hmm. Nice. So good, so easy. You have, I don't know, unexpected party. This is like, you go to dessert. You have a birthday, put the candle in. I'm speechless. Oh no, coffee.